Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you very much for joining me here. I hope you're having an amazing day. We're going to take a look at Sandbox and obviously look at quickly at Bitcoin, right? Because we need to know what's going on there. Bitcoin's just straight struggle busting right now. Lower highs, lower lows, and we are not seeing a tremendous amount of confidence. And we're going to probably see it continue to break down. It looks like 47,800 is the new resistance, and that could essentially hold the price action down lower. So if we look at the one-day chart, just to quickly note, you can see that it's tested and rejected so far in the last 24 hours. Okay, so not great, not good. This looks like another decrease. We have a very similar pattern right here as to right here, and we very well could see a leg down to 42,000 depending on the news for tomorrow. So just be mindful of that, and just note that coins like this, Sandbox, etc., they're exuding the exact same behavior as Bitcoin. Most coins, I'd say almost 90% of our coins, if not higher, are essentially running synonymous with Bitcoin right now. And the exact same reason why I'm not opening up any signals for my trading community right now. There's no point in it. Honestly, we could probably short, but that's also risky too, based on the fact that Bitcoin could very well recover at a moment's notice. It's an interesting thing right now, so we just kind of got to wait for some type of confirmation, and we don't have that confirmation yet. All right, so looking at kind of some of the obvious stuff here, really quick. We do have the 50-day simple moving average working its way up, probably going to hold as a support. I like that that's intersecting with a major Fibonacci retracement level, in other words, the lowest point in which the price should go based on its previous highs, as well as the simple fact that we have this previous all-time high working as a support. So this strong little channel here between $4.15 upwards of about $4.40 is a nice little area there that we should expect to see the price, I would say, bounce. So heaven forbid the price does break down to 42,000 from Bitcoin. We could see a candle wick below that, but the likelihood of the one-day candlestick closing above 412 is very high. So I think 412 is kind of lowest. I would consider setting some limit orders closer to low $4 range in case you get filled there and the price comes in down any lower, right? Right now it's all about dollar cost averaging and maximizing your gains for the recovery when that happens. For right now though, Sandbox is essentially just slowly bleeding right now, and there's obvious reasons why. It's all Bitcoin's fault. Lousy Bitcoin. But again, everything is the same right now. We just kind of got to get on board with that. If you're new to crypto, Bitcoin controls everything. It's just the way it goes. And that's okay. That's the way it goes. If you learn how Bitcoin behaves, then it also makes things a lot easier too. So I would recommend studying Bitcoin and understanding its price action because it definitely helps a lot. Moving on to the 4-hour chart. We can see here, of course, got the moving averages above the price action. That really doesn't matter too much, just based on the fact that it's really based on, Bitcoin's moving averages. So ultimately, we can see that they haven't intersected yet. All normal stuff here, right? Very, very standard bearish behavior. Okay, so the price just continuing to bleed out. Moving on though to the 1-hour chart, let's see if there's any kind of short-term stuff we can look at. Really, pretty much just telling us that if you have a short position open, you should leave it open. It might consider closing soon, so we may see a reversal in the near future from Sandbox. But if you see here the lagging spans coming close to the price action, that's a consideration to close your short position. And the same thing with the lagging span, correction, the baseline and the conversion line. Once those intersect, you'd close your position too. So we are reaching the point right now where a short position is no longer safe, if you will, where we probably want to close it. And that could imply that we might see the price come back up again. Again, how high will it go up? Hard to say specifically based on its history. It's doing exactly what Bitcoin's doing. It's making lower highs and lower lows, and these are not essentially very healthy signs. Okay, so again, just recommend dollar cost averaging in these scenarios. Never take an all-in position to the upside in this case, because it's just, you're going to get wrecked. And if you are smart, you would exercise caution in these environments, right? Now, try not to trust anybody that says, it's going to explode tomorrow. There's really nothing that will happen tomorrow in this regard as far as a positive result, because there's a tremendous amount of craziness in the news and everything of that nature. We just got to be careful. We got to protect our investment. Add to our position as the price goes lower. So pick, 2 or 3 coins that you love the most, the ones that you want to grow and you want to grow with. Add to your position as the price continues to decline. It's really the best thing you can do. Don't sell your current positions. They will recover. We just need more time. Okay, so I hope this found benefit for you, and obviously if so, comment below. If not, that's okay too. Feel free to join my Patreon community where we're all communicating and actually helping each other in these trying times. It's nice to have people at your side. So thanks again for your time. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good rest of your day. Take care.